Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. I want to welcome you to Tika's Gardens, and I want you to take a look at what is going on right now. It is Saturday, January 18th, my goodness. And my husband and I are in the house early Saturday morning, and we hear this noise of saws and stuff. So we go look out of the window, and we're like, they're cutting the tree down. It is the tree that I showed you in a couple of videos ago where the root system is kind of invading into our vegetable garden. I even showed you some of the root kind of sticking up from the ground, but they're cutting the tree down. So I'm excited about that. And it means more sun for my vegetable garden. Plus, that also means that the roots that are giving us a headache will eventually die out. I know that's going to take a little time, but at least I don't have to worry about more tree growth. Or more root growth, I guess I should say, because it's the roots that are the problem for us in our vegetable garden. So I don't have to worry about more root growth. So guys, they're cutting the tree down. So here's a few clips of it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.